Hello, hello. I'll just wait till a few people pop on. Happy Wednesday. Say hi, Millie. She got a little bit of an underbite. That's why she looks a little silly. Say hi, Millie. I swear she's not special. She's just got an underbite. But hello, hello. Happy Wednesday. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, all of that. If you've been wondering, where the heck is Hope? I've been sick. I have been sick. And so, you know what? Sometimes you just have to shut everything off, mainly because I couldn't function. And I sound a little congested, so I apologize. But it's good to be back, and it's Wellness Wednesday. So I thought, I'm going to come live and wish everybody a Happy New Year and share some quick strategies that if you're feeling a little under the weather, hopefully not as bad as I was, that you can utilize some of these things, and maybe you already are, just to help keep your immune system running strong, especially when you are out on the road and you're in a new city every night. That can really wreak havoc on your body, and that can definitely challenge your immune system. And I want you to be running healthy and strong no matter where you are. Hello, hello. If you are on, drop it in the comment section and let me know where you're tuning in from. Where are you coming? Where are you going? If you're driving, don't type and drive. But it is great to see you on. Happy New Year to you. I'm coming to you. I'm going to put my little dog down here. I'm coming to you from Wisconsin. I got to show you out my window here really quick. I don't know if you can see, but it is really snowing hard. I don't know how good that is, you can see that, but it is really snowing hard. It's been coming down for a while. It has not been that snowy by me yet, so it's destined to happen, right? We're bound to get it. So I thought, what a better day to come on and share with you all some health and wellness tips to help keep you strong and healthy during the holidays. Hopefully you have not been sick over the holidays like I was. And it really took me out, you guys. I was like, man, and I'm not a doctor person, and I actually contemplated going, but I am happy and healthy to be here with you all today. All right, we're talking about what little things that you can do to help keep your immune system strong while you are out on the road. If you're not starting to feel that great, what it is that you can do for yourself. Now, I don't know about you, but I am a tea drinker. I think tea is a great way to get some of those antioxidants and some of those immune boosting properties that we all need. I don't care who you are, we all need them to help keep us running optimally. Because like me, I've just experienced this, sickness can come out of anywhere. All of a sudden, the next thing you know, you can be down and you have no idea what's happened. But that doesn't mean that you can't be taking care of yourself, even if you're not sick right now. And so I want to share with you some of the things that I like to use while I'm sick, but also just in general to help me keep myself a little bit healthier so that I can keep doing what I need to do. Now, first things first, I'm a tea drinker. I like drinking tea. I know some of the drivers that I work with were not initially tea drinkers and have kind of had to learn to love to drink tea. Tea is such a great way to boost your immune system. It's a great way to get those antioxidants. Why do we need antioxidants? Because our bodies are constantly taking in free radicals. All of the stuff in the air, the pollution, the bad food that we're eating, all of those things break down our immune system, break down our body, and we want antioxidants. We want healthy, fresh things. We want healthy, natural herbs to help fight that and bring that back up so that we have the immune system to keep on trucking. And so some of the things that I like and I enjoy, which I think everybody should be utilizing, is turmeric. Now, you can get turmeric. Oh, my dog's eating a little bone. I was like, what is that noise? You can get turmeric in a root and cut it up and put it in your food. It has a little bit of a flavor. You can get a powder. You can get a tablet. But you can also get a tea. And when I drink it in a tea, it is virtually tasteless. And so I often mix it. I have two tea bags going right now. One of them is turmeric. And so you can also mix it with another tea, and it's going to give you those antioxidant boosting properties. And also, turmeric is great for inflammation. And when you're sick, what's going on? You're inflamed. Your nasal cavity, your throat, your lungs, what are they? They are inflamed. And so you want something to bring that inflammation down and at the same time build up your immune system. And so turmeric is a great tea for that. I like this brand here. I also like Yogi tea is great too. There's tons of brands out there. You can most likely get this at your grocery store. I actually bought this at Walmart. It comes in a box right in the coffee aisle. And so turmeric tea, add this to your shopping list the next time you go shopping. This should be something on your truck. Go into the truck stop with a big thermos for hot water. Drop that tea bag in and you can sip on it all day long. You can add a fruitier tea to it. Whoops. If you like something a little bit fruitier to drink and you're trying to get away from just juice all the time, although things like orange juice is great or can be great, it is loaded with sugar, okay? Sugar. And so downing a big old container of orange juice and you think you're doing good for your body, maybe you should think twice about that because that is loaded with a lot of sugar that your body doesn't need. Another tea that I really love, or you can get this again in separate forms, elderberry and echinacea. And so you can get them separately, you can get them together. You can also take elderberry. If you go to Walmart or CVS or Walgreens or a health food store or Amazon, you can buy elderberry syrup, which is, oh my gosh, so delicious. Like, you just want to drink the whole bottle. It's so good. You can buy elderberry tablets, lozenges. Elderberry is so good for you. And it is really great. Again, what are we looking for? Inflammation. And so it's going to help reduce inflammation and help build immunity, which is going to help you feel better. Elderberry is also very high in antioxidants. Remember, we're trying to fight free radicals when we're sick. So when we're sick, we have all these free radicals coming at us. We have all of this stuff out there and not enough to fight it, which is a big reason why drivers, it's so important to also be trying to eat fresh things every day. Even if all you can get is an orange is actually better than orange juice because it has the pulp, it has the fiber, it has the stuff to break down inside your body that your body has to work for. It's not just straight up sugar like you'd be drinking orange juice. So you want to get those fresh things in. And when you can't, things like elderberry and echinacea in a tea form are going to be great. And actually, it's really, really delicious and really, really sweet. And so you can add that right to your tea, add it with your turmeric. This is a combination I like. And you are good to go for the day. Again, thermos of hot water, drop the tea in it, and it is so yummy, so delicious. So elderberry, echinacea, they're both good for immune systems. They're both good for antioxidants. They're both good for anti-inflammatory. And so again, if you're congested, if you're coughing, if you're sneezing, more than what's going on is probably inflammation. You got to get rid of that inflammation. So drinking water and staying hydrated is also really important. And then finally, my last little tea tip is green tea. Any green tea is fine. This is blueberry green tea by Yogi Tea. It kind of has a nice little bite to it. This does have caffeine in it. So if you're trying to find something as an alternative to coffee, green tea is great, and you can get it in all sorts of flavors. But green tea is another really good one to help you boost immunity and to help you boost antioxidants. Remember, you're driving all day. You're not eating the greatest. It's okay. It happens. Not everyone has to be perfect. I'm not perfect. But we want to be able to get those immune boosting supplements and foods whenever we can to help us stay healthy the best that we can. And so are you putting your best foot forward? Are you making even just a little bit more effort if you feel like you actually can? Can you go into the truck stop today and buy a dang orange or an apple or a container of celery? I know it might not be ideal. I know it might not be the best option, but it definitely is better than a bag of Doritos because a bag of Doritos has 0 antioxidants. A bag of Doritos has no immune building properties. And a bag of Doritos is not going to help you fight against free radicals the same way any type of piece of fruit is, or some tea. And so today it's Wellness Wednesday. We're trying to celebrate and support our immune system and health. Even if you are under the weather or were under the weather like I was, you can still do things every single day to help your body and help your health. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to go to nth lengths degrees. You don't have to be doing everything to be doing something right. And that is one thing that I want you all to remember. You do not need to do everything. You do not need to work out every single day. You do not need to eat perfect every single day. You don't need to drink 120 ounces of water every day. But you can do something, one thing, every single day to help you keep yourself just a little bit healthier. And it can be as simple as drinking tea. And so whether you're going to Walmart, CVS, Piggly Wiggly's here in Wisconsin, pick up a box of tea. Better yet, pick up a couple boxes of tea. For $4, you can get a pack of 20 teas, 16 teas, and you can try them. And if you don't like them, hand them to a trucking friend and say, hey, this wasn't my flavor, but it might be yours, or hand them out for fun, or leave them at a truck stop next to the hot water pot next time and allow somebody else to enjoy them as well. But it's the little, small, simple changes that are going to lead you to the big results in your health, in your wellness, and in your happiness. And so I will drink to that. I hope you'll drink to that. Hey, Andrea, how are you? It's good to see you on. Happy New Year. Oh, I just miss everybody in person, right? Just like that in-person feeling. I'm going to be at Matt's. I hope you're going to be at Matt's again, Andrea. Let me know where your booth is at too, so that we can make sure that we connect when we're there as well. But that's what I got for you guys today. If you felt like that was helpful, if you feel like this is a wellness tip that you could apply to your wellness regimen, or maybe you don't have one and this is going to become one, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to share out this broadcast, and I will see you guys really soon. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to share.